Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, in case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Since the last update I did, big flush to the downside. I mean, this 4-hour session right here was quite nasty. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls did step up at a very important technical area, and that important technical level is down here at the pink line, which on my chart represents the very famous, very well-known 200 period moving average. In fact, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, and so far so good. The price is remaining above it. And as a reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so I realize that if you're watching this video, 15 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But the goal here is to keep this relevant for as long as possible. I'm going to accomplish that by walking you through some questions here. And the first big question that you need to be asking yourself, so let's just use that 15-hour number. You're watching this 15 hours from now. Ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 93.50? If you're saying that the price is actually, so let me just move this down here to 93.50. So if you're answering the question that the price is still up above 93.50, well, then that implies that this 200 period has continued to hold strong, which from the bullish side of things, that's what you want to see. You don't want to see the price violating to the downside of that, because again, that's just very basic technical analysis. When the 200 period moving average is broken, not a good sign, and you want to see the price hold up above it. In the event, though, you are answering the question that the price is down below that 93.50, next key level that you would want to then take a mental check of is the 91.50. So if you're answering the question that the price is down below 93.50, immediate next question, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 91.50? Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is also down below there, well, that would just be telling you that this downward move here has picked up that much more momentum, and the bears are, growing that much more in strength. And as far as I'm concerned, those are the two key dynamics going forward. Sure, you have these levels of resistance, but breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority at this point. Like I said, again, in my opinion, top priority right now is based all around the fact that this was a big downwards move. Yes, the price is consolidated back up, but like I said, the question now becomes, so I'm jealous of you that are watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to know, is the price continuing to go sideways before going down, or is this just a little temporary pause before it goes back in the downwards direction? And again, that's where these levels of support will help you out. So we'll see how the next 24 hours goes, and it'll looking like it'll be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.